Hello everyone, my name is Sarvesh Kathiria, a student from SDJ International College. My roll number is 374 in Division C. Subject Environmental Study. Topic Types of Ecosystem and Meaning. Ecosystem meaning. The environmental and the living world in it have the close relationship with one another, the form or formation of the living world or organism in called an ecosystem. Bird fly in the sky and so the air covered environmental is more situation to them and they pull on or maintain their lives as per the environmental of fair. It's suitable for the finnish and aquatic plant to stay in water and so they maintain their live on the water. Vegetation maintain their lives on the land and in water. In this way different living species staying in different environmental maintain their lives as per the adjustment to their environment. If there is any drastic change in the environment, then the corresponding living world of the environmental will be adversely affected. If the water body become dry, then the flesh staying in the water will die. If the air becomes polluted, humans will become sick. If there is rainfall, birds will stop flying, etc. Now, if there is a radical change in the environment, then the living species which are the accustomed to maintain their lives suitable to that environment will be affected adversely or they may sometime die also. Types of ecosystem. The ecosystem can be divided into too many types: natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. Natural ecosystem in living species perform their activities as per the natural situation. This natural ecosystem can be further divided into two types: terrestrial ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem. This terrestrial ecosystem in further divided into three types: ecosystem in deserts, ecosystem in forest, ecosystem in grassland. Aquatic ecosystem. The aquatic ecosystem can be divided into the four types: ecosystem in streams, ecosystem in ponds, ecosystem in rivers, ecosystem in oceans, ecosystem in lakes. Artificial ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem is divided into three types: aquarium ecosystem, agrofarm ecosystem, and pest ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem. An artificial ecosystem is a human-made system of planets, animals, and people living in area together with their surrounding. Zoo parks often create an artificial ecosystem by planning animals and human-made area similar to their natural habitat. People can also create lakes in the middle of deserts and keep penguins in warm climates, but only if they create an artificial ecosystem. Aquarium ecosystem. An aquarium can be together be described as a closed artificial ecosystem in which fish and plants are able to find the habitat where they can grow and development in the healthy and balanced way. Each aquarium must therefore be consciously designed, development and managed to facilitate the establishment of the vitro cycles that occur spontaneously in nature and give rise to the intersection. Agrofarm ecosystem. Agrofarm ecosystem are increasingly expected to provide a gamut of ecosystem service including food production, sequestration, natural recycling, climate regulation, simulation study, agriculture in intensification though the use the tillage, fertilizers and pesticides alter soil physical, chemical and biological properties and thus increase yield at the cost of other ecosystem service. Space ecosystem. The ecosystem of space was controlled by natural activity and was a state-only playground in the past several years. We have witnessed dramatic change in global space activity toward greater involved by the private sector. These changes come together under the overarching expression new pace. New pace is drawing considerable attention by many in the space sector. Thank you for listening my presentation.